1498 May 21st, Vasco da Gama and his companions entered a wonderful and beautiful land in the planet, situated in India's God's own country, Kerala, named Kapad Beach.
Who is the most important person in this world? You. Okay. Who is the most beautiful person in the world? Yeah. Whom you have to love the most? Okay, very good. All these children are leaders. Okay. You have to love yourself first, yeah? Then you have to love your mummy, daddy, or your teachers and all, okay? Whenever you love yourself first, you can love all, okay? They preserved all this traditional Kerala style, and also they included the new modern type of entertainment in this beach. You can celebrate and enjoy the fitness journey also here. Oh my God, she is celebrating the health, yeah?
Yes.
You want to reduce the weight?
Yes.
It's very wonderful to do exercise here because there is a natural background, and also there is a calm atmosphere, and also there is my hard work for my fitness. Multiple kind of exercise equipments are available in this beach, yeah? I am really enjoying it. Today morning, actually I didn't exercise. I procrastinated my exercise routine into this beach. So I am celebrating well the journey of my fitness. Okay, I have to reduce my weight. So I started traveling to such places. You have to travel this kind of places and also must participate here. There is a chance for pull-up also. Never.
പാടും പുഴകളും തോടും മോടിക്കൂടും മലരണി കാടും എൻ്റെ കേരളം എന്തൊരു ഭംഗി എൻ്റെ കേരളം എന്തൊരു ഭംഗി.
Okay, thank you. Every day you are maintaining the cleanness, yeah? Yeah, every time, every wonderful place, naturally very peaceful, calm and quiet, and also very clean, greenish. This place got a blue flag reward. Yeah?
That's an international beach.
Yeah. This is an international beach now, okay? Everybody must come here and celebrate. Whenever you are visiting India, you never forget to visit this place, Kapad Beach, okay? This is a hut in Kerala style. See this building made up of full of bamboos, okay? Now I entered the vast and wonderful world of sea. See the wonderful seashore and never-ending waves of sea. What a wonderful! There is a lot of wonderful this rocky ways throughout this sea. I think there is more than 4 such kind of things in here. Actually, this is used to travel from seashore to. You can find multiples of this kind of flowers throughout the seashore. These flowers are decorating this seashore in a wonderful way, okay? You came from Tamil Nadu?
Yes, I'm
Which
from
place
Tamil
of Tamil Nadu?
I'm from Tanjavur.
Tanjavur,
Yes.
okay. How you are enjoying this place?
Yeah, it's very nice, very beautiful.
And calm and quiet here,
Yes,
and also greenish.
Yes. I came with my family.
Okay, your
My
mummy
wife,
is there.
yes,
Okay,
my
yeah,
mom,
yeah.
my wife, and my daughter.
Okay. You are married. You look like
Yes,
a
yeah.
bachelor. I thought you are a bachelor. Okay.
Thank you.
Okay, enjoy.
சூப்பராக இருக்குது.
Okay. Yeah. Enjoy பண்றீங்க. Okay, thank you. If you don't have any tourist guide with you, don't worry. Everything is explained here. Whatever things occupying in this place is explained in this map, okay? Just this cafeteria is created in a traditional Kerala way. All these traditional Malabari foods are available in this cafeteria, okay? Now I ordered this Kilikood, okay? I'm going to taste it. Wonderful. You came from China.
Yes.
How is this place?
It's nice. Clean beach.
Okay. You enjoyed the place.
Yes.
It's excellent, yeah?
Yes.
Okay. Invite all Chinese people to this place.
Yeah,
and
sure.
enjoy, okay?
Sure.
How you can say how are you in Chinese?
你好吗？
Ni hao man.
你好吗
Fine.
Yeah,
Fine.
很好，
Haha.
很好。
Okay. Here everybody is celebrating these exercises and all, yeah?
Yeah, of course.
Okay, okay. Very wonderful place. They don't have to take any membership in gym and all.
Oh, yes.
Free
yes,
gym
of
in
course.
this natural background, yeah?
Yes, yes.
This young bragads, they visited to this place. How we are enjoying this place? It's excellent, yeah. There is a beautiful children's park associated with this beach. Many children are enjoying their vacation here, okay?
Hello guys, welcome to my back channel. And I am a big red danger. I am a small red danger. I am a son. I am a Ben.
Very good. You sung well, okay? You don't have to buy any water bottle here, okay? You can get the natural water for free in this place, okay? Here a person is enjoying the most wonderful sleep of his life. You can't get such a sleep in this luxury homes and all, but in the seashore you can get that. See how wonderful even the toilets in this place. Even the toilets are made with bamboos. But you can come every day now here. You can enjoy this exercise and all, yeah? I think natural gym. This is a natural gym too. This is the gents toilet. Even that too is made up of bamboos, okay? There is a lot of ways in a natural way which welcomes the visitors in a kingly way. All these seats are made with bamboos. I had a confusion whether it survive in the rain or not. But staff here told even in the rain it survives, okay? It's so exciting and wonderful to sleep here and enjoy the beauty of the sea. So the calm breeze is touching my body and through the body it is entering to my heart. So experiential. You have to come and celebrate this blossom of sea and its seashore. Okay. It's very interesting to see here and enjoy the beauty of the sea. This is the security officer of this place. He is having a lot of words to say about this place. What do you have?
Yes.
Everything is in a natural way you created here.
Everything. Here we will provide all facilities to the tourists,
Yeah,
and also we will use eco-friendly
yeah.
toilets, and also the main criteria is water bathing quality.
Yeah. Water is very pure and
Very
fresh.
pure water.
And also you created bathrooms also here.
Yes.
In a
Water
natural way, yeah?
Yes.
But everything you created with bamboo.
Bamboo.
It is survive in the climate also, no problem.
Yes, this is also treated bamboo. Its life is estimated 25 years.
Oh, very good.
This is from Tripura.
Tripura,
Yes.
okay.
This-
You imported from there.
Yes, also.
Every tourist can come here and there is secure also.
Yes.
Security is also 100%.
Yes, also
That is for security, no?
For lifeguard purpose, the watchtower is for lifeguard.
Okay.
Also lifeguard is
I think if you create such a thing for the public also,
Yes,
it will be a
public,
wonderful
yes,
thing.
Public or tourists, all beach goers have for lifeguard protection, also securities.
Oh, very good. Anyway, it's a wonderful thing. I think the Calicut will become the next tourist destination in Kerala.
Yes.
Biggest. I think even the beach, this place, everything is going in a wonderful way after this COVID.
Also clean lines.
Yeah. We are welcoming all the tourists to the Calicut, okay? And come and enjoy and experience it. In 1498, Vasco da Gama discovered such a wonderful place. We have to come and celebrate this natural beauty. Understand? Vasco da Gama came here and settled all of his life here only. He didn't go back to his natives. He settled here. He born in Portuguese. He lived in Kerala. He died in Kerala. He loved this place. We have to come and enjoy this natural beauty. We have to be the part of this beauty. We have to live the life according to the sea in such a wonderful dancing and singing way. Understand? The happiness which you possess is always with you, like the sea is possessing its waves always with that. Understand? Happiness is with you. You can utilize all this as stimulus to create wonderful happiness in this world, life. Enjoy life, enjoy the sea, and enjoy the moments of your life. Okay?